unboxing time. This is quite a big box, and there's multiple things in here. Because I've got hardly any cupboard space, I decanted and put everything into one box. So let's start with egg or cows. She's chosen cows. Okay, so I ordered a bundle, and in that bundle I got one pouch and one bar or slab. I picked a slab. So the first pouch was the Cocoa Cows, Belgian milk chocolate cows from Loaded Chocolates. I'll open that in a second and show you. And then the slab that I chose, that Fanta was nice. The slab that I chose was the caramel fudge slab. So let's open both of those up and show you a clearer picture. Because it's boiling today, I'm going to put a glove on. Don't want no melted chocolate hands. Oh, I've got a hairband. Cocoa Cows up first. That's so cute. That's so cute. Okay. Little Highland Belgian milk chocolate cow. They're so adorable. You might as well eat that one. There you go. Whilst we've got the pouch open. So let's see how many you get in here. So she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 cows in my pouch. And they are all super duper cute. Can't see the chopping board. They are all super duper cute. Put in my cupboard. So cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got number 7. She said you get about 200 grams in here. That's pretty cute. I'm going to keep that one out because I want that. Let's go on to the slab. I do like these slabs. I did have a custom bar slab, but I didn't video that. It was so good. The custom bar slabs you order through their website, not through TikTok. They don't happen every day. They happen every so often. But here is a closer look at the caramel fudge slab. So it's a Belgian milk chocolate base. And then the toppings on this one are Rolos, fudge cubes, Milky Bar buttons, and I really want to snap that open now because I didn't read. Oh yeah, it's fudge sticks. There's the cross section. So you've got fudge sticks, fudge cubes, Rolos, white chocolate buttons. That looks amazing. Got a couple of loose fudge cubes. Here you go, try that. That's amazing. So, bundle deal, slab, and a pouch of cows. Awesome. Look how cute that looks. Oh my god, I love that. Okay, that's melting in my hand, so let's put that down. If you spend over £22, I think it is, you get free shipping on TikTok Shop. So if you get a pouch when it's on sale, add something else to your basket to get the free shipping. On this occasion, I also got discs. I've already opened these. Let me show you. They are literally just discs of Belgian milk chocolate. And you get, again, I think it's 200 grams of discs. Same goes for their other shapes, so they do various other pouches. So as well as the cows and the discs, We also do dinos, and they do space shapes. I don't have any space shapes, but the dinos, we've got 4 left because we've had some of these already. That's so cool. Got Belgian milk chocolate dinosaurs. Different dinosaurs. So again, 200 grams in all of the pouches, and then you choose your slab or bar, and you choose what pouch you want.